guys, welcome to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 25. Layer your products from wet to dry. Putting wet products on top of dry can cause a gritty effect. Makeup artists, it's really makeup artistry 101 to understand product formulation and how specific products work in conjunction with other products. Sometimes you cannot layer wet products on top of dry products because it will cause a gritty effect on the skin. You will actually see the makeup almost mixing and creating like a cement type of effect. Not all products are like this. Some products do allow you to put wet on top of dry. In fact, that's their sole purpose. They're made to be used on top of dry products. But here's the thing, you really want to read the box, read the container, understand formulation, read the directions. Directions help. I know I've done a Makeup Tip Monday video on this topic, but I can't stress it enough, makeup artists, that you truly should learn about the products that you're using. Either go online and read about them or read the actual container or talk to other makeup artists that have used those products as well. Another important thing to remember, makeup artists, is that timing is important when working with wet products. So if you are laying down wet products, allow it to dry and then put your dry products on top to ensure a very smooth look. And finally, take your time, makeup artists, be patient, learn as you go and experiment. So as you're practicing your makeup artistry at home, discover what products layer well with each other and what products do not work well with each other. Well guys, I hope today's Makeup Tip Monday helped. Drop us a line down below and let us know what your experience is working with wet and dry products. Are there certain formulas that you absolutely love that you'd love to share with this community? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I'll see you next week on Makeup Tip Monday. Bye everyone.